It's time for another MC script. And this time, it's about an event that is hosted by a government agency, and the attendees are government officials, their industry partners, and also international dignitaries. This is MC Bali channel with me, Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. All right, let's start with the opening. For opening, it depends on how the event is started. Let's have it now as the dance has performed on stage and they have left the stage and MC now shows up. His Excellency, Coordinating Minister for Maritime Affairs, Republic of Indonesia. Her Excellency, Minister of Finance, Republic of Indonesia. Excellencies, all ambassadors, the Honourable Governor of Bank Indonesia, the Central Bank of Republic of Indonesia, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. So that part was specially created to greet the dignitaries, and we have to know for sure which person ranked the highest. So we need to discuss and obtain advice from the protocol department. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Puri Kencana Ballroom, Bali InterContinental Resort, Jimbaran, Bali, Indonesia. So that part is opening and also mentioning specifically the name of the venue. My name is Nirmala Trisna and I'm the Master of Ceremony for this dinner event. Indeed, I feel extremely honored to be standing in front of our Excellencies and distinguished guests here at one of Bali's most prestigious resorts with its beautiful surroundings and hosted by the well-known Balinese hospitality. That section is the MC introduction and also giving highlights of the special ambience that the venue or the island or the host has to offer to the invitees, especially for international guests. For the next part that I'm going to present is specially made to introduce the video about Indonesia. So I have to dig in all the data about Indonesia, but I also ask what the video is about, what the video details or the storyline of the video. So what I mention or what my introduction of the video can be in line with the content. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia is one of the world's top 5 most populous countries, the largest archipelagic state with more than 17,000 islands, and the number 3 country that has the longest coastline. The country is lying along the equator with rich flora and fauna, as well as unique culture and warm hospitality of its people. Talking about the people of Indonesia, there are over 300 ethnic groups in this country, and if you travel from the most western part of Indonesia to the most eastern, you will hear more than 700 local dialects that are spoken by Indonesians. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the next video that will be presented to you will take you on a voyage to our country, Indonesia. Please enjoy. So then the video is played. Of course, it will be in line with what I have mentioned. And next, after the videos, are speeches and presentations, because it is kind of like a formal dinner. so introduction of the speakers will be more straightforward. Here's one example. Now, please be invited to the podium to deliver his welcoming remarks, Coordinating Minister for Maritime Affairs, Republic of Indonesia. After all speeches and presentations are done, dinner will be served to everyone, and then during the dinner, the host has prepared live performance. So I'm going to introduce who the artist will be. Ladies and gentlemen, once upon a time, there was this young man from the small village near Ubud, Bali, who was fascinated by various traditional musical instruments, not only from his home village, but also from around the world. He wanted to bring peace and love to the world. He believed that his talent in music would be a powerful tool. With his world music band, here is 𝙗𝙤𝙤𝙬𝙗𝙤 Sentosa and his musical troupe, bringing peace, serenity, and friendship, regardless of cultural background and races. Please welcome 𝙗𝙤𝙤𝙬𝙗 World Music. Well, usually in formal dinner events, especially here in Indonesia, the host has prepared one final dance as a dessert or to be presented during the dessert. So I have to coordinate with the F&B team to let them know I am ready anytime they are preparing the dessert, and also the entertainment or the stage team, because they need to prepare the dancers to be on stage. So I will come on stage presenting the dance, and also I need to know exactly what the dance is and kind of a story behind it, especially for international attendees. They need to know what is presented before their eyes, what is special about it, and is there something special that they need to know so they can be more excited to watch this performance. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present a traditional Balinese dance. It is performed by 8 dancers depicting the god of Vishnu, one of the god's power in Hindu religion. Vishnu is equipped with the Almighty's power to maintain the world's stability, with Garuda as the vehicle and Chakra as the weapon. May I suggest you to take out your mobile phones to capture some photos, because this dance has a unique choreography. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the dance of Garuda Vishnu. All right, so after the dance, we'll see how it goes. But the script is prepared as a final closing, but we have to be alert in between that time, like after the dinner, after the dessert, what's gonna happen. So we need to be ready with whatever happening in between that session. So my closing is like this. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the end of this dinner reception. On behalf of the host, we extend our deepest appreciation to all of you. We wish you a safe and pleasant journey and have a wonderful evening. We hope you enjoy the rest of your stay on this island. Thank you. Terima kasih. All right, so that's all for now. If you have any questions or if you have any comments, just write it down in the comment section. I would very much appreciate if you can hit that like, that thumb button, and share it to all of your family and friends. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, you know what to do. Thanks for watching and see you next time.